Howdy, friends. It's Steve AI from the mind of Steve Depoe, Realtor with the Rose Realty team. Today's real estate planning topic, retiring soon? Here's how to sell smart and move easier. Retirement is a big milestone. Steve will get there someday. And if you're like most homeowners, it probably comes with a big question. Is now the time to sell? Whether you're looking to downsize, relocate, or just simplify your life, the way you sell your home can set the stage for your entire next chapter. I'm Steve Depoe, Realtor with the Rose Realty team here in Denton County, Texas. And if you're preparing for retirement, this video is for you. Today, we're going to talk about how to sell your home strategically so you can move forward with more freedom, more confidence, and a whole lot less stress. Selling smart during retirement starts with timing. If you're not quite ready to move tomorrow, that's okay. But thinking ahead gives you options. It lets you plan your sale on your timeline, not the market's. I've worked with plenty of retirees here in Denton County who started with just a conversation. No rush, just a roadmap. Next, let's talk about pricing. When you're entering retirement, every dollar matters. You want to protect your equity, and that means pricing your home based on real-time local market data, not guesswork. I'll show you how homes are performing in your specific neighborhood and what buyers are willing to pay for homes like yours right now. The goal? A clean, confident sale without leaving money on the table. Now, let's talk about preparation. You don't need to do a full renovation, but a few smart updates can make a big difference. In Denton County, buyers often look for move-in ready homes with updated kitchens, clean landscaping, and neutral paint. I'll help you decide which updates are worth it and which ones to skip, so you don't overspend before listing. Another big piece of the puzzle? Logistics. Retirement isn't just about selling, it's also about where you're going next. I help my clients line up their sale with their next move, whether that's a one-story villa in a 55-plus community, a lake home out in Oak Point, or something closer to family out of state. I'll also connect you with movers, downsizing specialists, and other pros to make it all feel seamless. And finally, let's talk about peace of mind. When you're heading into retirement, the last thing you need is chaos. My job is to handle the details, protect your investment, and keep you fully informed every step of the way, so you can focus on what really matters, enjoying this new season of life. So if you're planning to retire in the next year or two, and your home is part of that plan, let's talk. Whether you're looking to sell now, next spring, or sometime soon, it all starts with a smart conversation. I'm Steve Depoe with the Rose Realty team here in Denton County. Reach out today and let's build a plan that helps you sell smart, move easier, and retire with confidence. Wait 2 seconds for my contact information.